Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on full Klaviyo review. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Klaviyo is a popular marketing automation platform primarily designed for e-commerce businesses. Here's a comprehensive review covering its key features, pros and cons, pricing, and overall effectiveness. Email Marketing Klaviyo provides customizable email templates and a drag-and-drop editor for easy campaign creation. Users can conduct A/B testing to optimize performance. The platform also supports dynamic content for personalized messaging. Segmentation advanced in capabilities allow users to group customers based on behavior, demographics, and purchase history. This targeted approach enhances engagement and improves conversion rates. It enables marketers to tailor their messages effectively. Automation. Klaviyo's use tools enable the creation of complex workflows, such as welcome series and abandoned cart reminders. Users can trigger actions based on customer behavior, streamlining communication. This saves time and increases the likelihood of conversions. Analytics and reporting. The platform offers real-time analytics to track campaign performance, including metrics like open rates and revenue generated. Users can analyze data to identify trends and make data-driven decisions. Customizable reports help in understanding audience behavior. Integrations. Klaviyo seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, as well as other tools like Facebook and Google Ads. This ensures a smooth data flow between systems. Integrations enhance the effectiveness of marketing strategies. Klaviyo's pricing is based on the number of contacts you have, with plans starting from a free tier for up to 250 contacts to paid plans that scale with your list size. Pricing can vary significantly depending on your needs, so it's best to consult their website for the most current information. Klaviyo is a strong choice for e-commerce businesses looking for a comprehensive marketing automation solution. Its features, particularly in segmentation and automation, make it a valuable tool for driving sales and enhancing customer relationships. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.